You. Yeah, you. Want more muscle for your money? 8 luxury beasts under 20 grand that leave 2025's EVs in the dust. Stick around. Number 1, it's gonna blow your mind.
That smoke, M in soul, power, and no BS, reliability. Stick around. The number 1 hidden gem'll make you ditch Tesla dreams forever. Man, pull up a stool, crack a cold one. I'm talking to you like we're idling at a stoplight on a Friday night cruise. Name's Jake. Been wrenching since I could barely see over the dash. And if there's one thing that boils my blood, it's folks dropping stacks on those silent, soulless EV hype machines. New 2025 EVs, flashy screens, 300-mile range that drops to 180 in winter, and a $10,000 battery bomb waiting in 5 years. Nah, brother, grab a real luxury tank under 20 grand. These gas-guzzling legends got V8 rumble, buttery rides, and they'll outlast your kids' college tuition. We're talking hidden gems nobody's hunting, reliable as a Timex, luxurious as a penthouse. If you love raw stories, wrench turning, thrills, and cars with heart, hit subscribe and that bellware burning rubber every week on Jake's Garage Rebels, your spot for unfiltered gearhead truth. Let's rip into M-8, 2014, 16 Lexus RX 350, $14,000. Picture this, 2007, I'm 19, first real job, at the shop. Boss hands me keys to a wrecked RX, drove it home sideways, grinning ear to ear. That V6 purrs like a kitten on premium. 2028's MPG laughs at EV efficiency, myths no charger hunts. Leather hugs, yeah heated seats, melt winter blues. And it tows 3,500 pounds, while those EVs whimper. History nugget. Lexus built this to crush Mercedes, and it did bulletproof, zero drama. Beats a new Equinox EV's plastic feel by a mile. #7. 2015 Mercedes E350. $1,000 Lima Kelfin F. The Benz that whispers king. Facelifted in 17, but snag a 15 for peanuts. That twin-turbo V6. Silky 302 horses. 0-260 in 5.9 quicker than most new EVs without regen brake weirdness. Air suspension floats over potholes like you're ghost-ridden. Fun fact, E-Class invented modern luxury in '94. This one's got massaging seats, Burmester stereo blasting Zeppelin. Versus a 2025 Model 3. No fire risks. Pump gas, anywhere. Pure class. YP BMW PiX Drive, PK Steel. BMW's ultimate cruiser in 6.3 V8, roars like a 70s muscle moper. 400 pounds FT torque, launches YA into hyperspace. Quattro grip owns snow. EVS slip like Bambi. I flipped one last summer. 120k miles, ran like new after $800 valve cover seals. Insight, avoid early N63s. Post 13R gems. Cabin, walnut dash reclining, rear thrones ride like a boss, while new i7 South cost 100 large. EV haters rejoice. Real exhaust note. #5, 2012 Lexus Ease, 350, $12,000 bargain. Underrated king. Camry bones, but Lexus Tune V6 sips, 21/31 MPG better than half those green EVs. Real world, I drove cross country in one. Silent cabin, adaptive cruise, nav, that doesn't glitch. History ease, outsold every luxury sedan in the 90s, proof, it's eternal. Features, moonroof, 8-speaker, Mark Levinson, new EVs can't touch that wood and leather sole. Family hauler that feels posh. Number Y, 2014 Audi A6 Quattro, $17,000 all-road vibes in a sedan. 3.0T supercharged V6 to 333 horses, AWD claws corners. Quattro saved my bacon in a blizzard of 16. Loaded, virtual cockpit precursor, Bang & Olufsen tunes, VSE, VS, no range anxiety, fill up in 2 minutes. Secret, post 12 C7, South R tanks by mod exhaust, grin forever. 3. 2015, Acura TLX, Shay, WD $15,000. Honda reliability, luxury twist, 290 horse V6, torque vectoring AWD, dances like an NSX. I rallied one on back road 0 under steer gem, Akira's hidden Ferrari. Leather L's, studio audio, UHEVS, feel cheap next to it. 2031's MPG. #2, 2011-14 Infiniti QX, $13,000, family fortress, luxury minivan vibes without the soccer dad stigma. 265 horse V6, seats 7 in quilted leather. I hauled tools, coast to coast, silent, smooth, 20 MPG loaded. Beats EV SUV S-No, battery sag, history. Nissan built it to steal Odyssey, sales nailed it. Number A, hidden gem, 2009, 12 Lexus LS 460, $11,000, $15,000, unbeatable. Boom, here's your punchline. V8 Symphony, 380 horses, 16/24 MPG. I own a 10.180k miles, zero major issues Toyota tank, in a tux. Rear recliners, Night vision, air suspension, 2025 lucid dreams for chump change. Versus Tesla. No software nags, eternal life. This smokes every new Absol over silicon. Who, that fire still burnin' in your chest. These beasts prove luxury ain't dead, it's just waitin'. Under 2 OK. Drop your fave in comment cell, S or nah. Smash like if EVS just got owned. Sub for more rebel rides. Share with a buddy Ion that overpriced bolt bucket. Next, 10 muscle monsters under 1 OK gas till I die catcha on the blacktop.